Hi, I'm Louis Ortiz on behalf of Export Village, and I'm back to show you the finished product of some fried catfish pieces that we've already breaded and fried. Again, just to recap real quick, this is a catfish piece that I breaded in a seasoned cornmeal mix from the grocery store, and this has been breaded with a seasoned breadcrumb mix that also came from the grocery store. So we'll pop this open and pull these guys out of here. They're nice and done. And I let those hang for just a minute before I put them on my paper towel so the residual oil will get dried off. And there are the cornmeal guys. Go ahead and shut that. So you can see the before and after product here. And this, again, was the breadcrumb mixture. And you get a little bit darker color, a little bit different flavor profile as well. And then here is the cornmeal mixture. As you can see, it's just a nice golden color. And these smaller pieces won't take very long, and that's good because we don't want to sit food inside that oil just tumbling around on itself and becoming overdone and then just saturated with oil. That's not what we're after. So I set my fryer to a little below 375, which is a little warm, and we want that. We want a quick cooking time so this stuff cooks real nice and even, and I can pull it out of the fryer as fast as possible. So hopefully that gives you some insight on the different breading procedures and the different feel that you'll get from each piece of fish.